Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's Brian Tatch mini day today. Like I mentioned on my Instagram page, just going to pop along. Just spent the night in Holiday Inn, which you can see. So a couple of us come down. We've got little Billy. So I came down with Tony. Obviously I'm not in my car. I didn't finish all the work I wanted to do, and like I mentioned, it's going to be my wedding car, so I didn't want it to not be right, if you know what I mean. I need a good shakedown run when I feel confident in it. My tracking is miles out and the car's in bits. We also have Jimmy and John in their little GT. It's honestly beautiful little car, this. They've restored it, both of them, in their own little garage, and you know, it's a genuine GT. It's beautiful. There's a build on the Mini forum, Holy Crap GT, so if you want to follow it, it is such a great little car. And then the surprising car that came down, Darren, he had a lot of problems literally the day before we set off, and yeah, he's managed to get it going again, fixed it, and this thing's beautiful, little MPI, kind of a retro look to it, and it's a cracking little car. So we're all going to get on the road. Well, we're going to go get some breakfast first. I had a few drinks last night. I feel like I had to shout at Tony the whole way down, so I feel like I've only had like 3 drinks. But my throat feels buggered from shouting all the way down in Tony's car because it's that loud. But honestly, this little car flies. That little, oh, what a cool little car that thing is. But yeah, we're gonna get some breakfast, get set up for the day, and then go see some mini racing. Weather looks decent, so yeah, I hope to bump into a few of you, because I have kind of mentioned this a little bit, and some people saying they're gonna be there and stuff like that. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So let's crack on. Next one, mate. Tony, we're this side. Cloudy, but it's looking good.
243 for the same fucking
There's a few teams here just prepping up.
Start moving over to assembly, as we've got a very big grid of you, and it'll take a while for the guys just sorting you out at the other end. Mini Miglias race 9, can you get your cars? Years, we've got a very successful go-kart track here at Brands Hatch. Getting faster and faster and faster.
Slug and Lucas, then it's the 77 of Mark Burnett. Row 2 is 306 Joe Wally, 151 Elliot Stanton. Row 3 is 101 then 20 of Robin. Row 4 is 53 Row number 5 is 1 Joe Red. Curly. Row number 6 is 27 Kevin Walker Lane, 18 Ben Dusher. And row 6 Panakill Bend as they now charge their way through. And we're away. What are the starts like? Well, it's a great start from Endaf Owens. He really got the drive there that he needed. He's already trying to challenge away, not only for fourth place, but possibly for third as he makes his way now through in towards Panakill Bend. A fantastic start. He's up in the third place spot now. And Andrew John never going to go on the inside to take fourth place away. He does it. Yep, so another place. Tim Turner. Opportunity to show a full player here. He's obviously the first, so Andrew John quite right to make the most of the start.
Well guys, what can I say to Brands Hatch Mini Festival? Absolutely epic. I am definitely coming back. I think I really want to follow the mini Miglas around, because that's just around the UK on all the other tracks, because that's epic. The racing from Endaf Owens and stuff like that, it was just brutal. It was just really exciting, just as a spectator. Christ knows what they feel like as a car. But yeah, awesome. Really enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed the little bits of footage I did get. I didn't film loads. I filmed the bits I liked, really. It's quite hard to get any good footage of racing, so I did my best I could with a couple of cameras. But yeah, it's mint. I really enjoyed it. So thank you to everyone that has organised it. It's great, and I'll definitely be back next year. Obviously in my own car. Yeah, be cool. Really good. So subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're here, let me know. Nice to have seen you. But yeah, catch you next one, guys. Stay safe and enjoy yourself.